Hello everyone, welcome to my video. My name is Mayriska Supriyanto Putri. In this video, I'm going to talk about a very interesting topic in psycholinguistics, which is the biological basis of language. Have you ever wondered how humans can speak, understand words, and create sentences so naturally? Well, the answer is inside our brain. Language is not just something we learn from school or from other people. Language is also closely connected to biology, especially the human brain and nervous system. So in this video, we will explore how the brain makes language possible and why humans have unique language abilities. First, what is the biological basis of language? Basically, it refers to the biological system that supports human language. This includes brain, neurons, neural connection, memory system, and speech organs. Researchers believe that humans are biologically prepared for language. In other words, our brains are naturally designed to process language. This is what makes humans different from animals. Animals can communicate using sound or signal, but human language is much more complex. Humans can create grammar, express emotions, share ideas, tell stories, and produce unlimited sentences. And all of these abilities are supported by the human brain. Now, let's talk about the brain itself. There are two important language areas in the brain, Broca area and Wernicke area. These two areas work together to help humans speak and understand language. First, Broca area. Broca area is located in the left frontal lobe of the brain. This area is responsible for speech production, grammar organization, and sentence formation. When you speak, your brain uses Broca area to organize words into correct sentences. For example, when you say, "I want to drink coffee this morning," your brain automatically arranges the word in the correct order. That process happens very quickly because of the brain. Next, we have Wernicke area. This area is located in the temporal lobe. Wernicke area helps humans understand meaning and language comprehensions. So, when someone talks to you, this area helps your brain understand the message. Without this system, communication will become very difficult. This shows us that different parts of the brain have different language functions. One area helps produce language, while another helps understand it. But language is not controlled by only one or two brain areas. The brain actually uses a network of neural connections. One important connection is called the arcuate fasciculus. This neural pathway connects Broca area and Wernicke area. It allows the brain to coordinate listening, understanding, thinking, and speaking almost instantly. Modern neuroscience research also explains that humans have more specialist language networks than other primates. According to research by Song and Tan, one important brain structure called the left inferior frontal gyrus became highly specialized during human evolution. This area supports grammar, syntax, speech planning, and complex sentence processing. That is one reason why humans can create unlimited sentences using limited vocabulary. And honestly, that's pretty amazing. Now, let's talk briefly about language evolution. Scientists believe that language evolved gradually over millions of years. Humans and primates share some similar brain structures, but the human brain developed stronger neural connections and more advanced language system. Animals can communicate, but human language is unique because humans can use grammar and complex sentence structures. For example, humans can talk about the past, the future, imaginary situation, and abstract ideas. This ability becomes possible because the human brain evolved a specialist system for language. Another important point is that language is not only biological but also social. Humans learn language through interactions. Babies learn language by listening to parents, observing facial expressions, repeating sounds, and communicating with people around them. This means language development depends on both the brain and social experience. Research also suggests that children learn language faster because their brains are more flexible during early development. This flexibility is called brain plasticity. That is why young children can often learn multiple languages naturally and quickly. So, what can we conclude from all of this? The biological basis of language explains that language is deeply connected to human biology. The brain, neural networks, and social interaction all work together to make language possible. Specialist brain areas like Broca area, Wernicke's area, and the left inferior frontal gyrus. That's all help humans speak, understand meaning, organize grammar, and communicate complex ideas. Psycholinguistics show us that language is not only a communication tool. Language is also a biological system shaped by brain evolution and human cognition. And without the human brains, language as we know it would not exist.